Many graduates believe the window for a military commission closes after NDA. They spend nights slamming their textbooks shut, convinced the dream is over. The Indian Armed Forces provide a second entry point for college graduates through the Combined Defense Services Examination. The UPSC conducts this test twice a year, offering a path for those who miss the high school window. Successful candidates train for the lieutenant rank or equivalent. These are leadership-level positions that carry the authority of a commissioned officer. The eligibility shift is significant. While the NDA requires applicants to be under 20, the CDS route accepts graduates up to age 25, depending on the specific academy and commission type. Despite this second chance, 90% of candidates fail. This high rejection rate usually stems from a failure to navigate the complex application rules, rather than a lack of academic ability. Applicants must select one of 4 specific training institutions: the Indian Military Academy, the Indian Naval Academy, the Air Force Academy, or the Officers Training Academy. While the UPSC manages the exam logistics for all candidates on a single day, the eligibility criteria and the number of required test papers change based on which academy you list as your first preference. Selecting an academy that does not align with your specific degree or age bracket results in an immediate administrative rejection. Your written score cannot fix a fundamental eligibility error on your form. Candidates must also choose between 2 distinct career paths. A permanent commission offers a career until retirement, while a short service commission involves an initial 10 to 14-year period of service. Strategic alignment is the first step of the exam. You must match your personal profile to the specific academy rules to avoid being eliminated before you even enter the testing hall. This decision tree illustrates how your academic background and comfort with mathematics determine your available paths. The Indian Military Academy, the Naval Academy, and the Air Force Academy constitute the most academically demanding track. Choosing any of these 3 requires you to clear a 100-mark elementary mathematics paper, in addition to the standard English and general knowledge assessments. The addition of a 3rd technical paper creates a higher barrier to entry, but successful candidates secure a permanent commission upon graduation. For candidates who have strong verbal and general awareness skills but struggle with quantitative aptitude, the path leads to the Officers Training Academy. In this track, the mathematics paper is eliminated from the assessment. Your merit is calculated solely on your performance in the English and general knowledge papers. The OTA path offers a way to bypass the math requirement entirely. This accessibility is balanced by the commission type. It leads to a short service commission rather than a full-term career. The CDS exam follows specific structural rules for female applicants seeking a commission in the Indian Army. Women are currently directed to the OTA pathway and are ineligible to apply for the IMA, Naval Academy, or Air Force Academy through this entry point. While this restricts female officers to short service commission roles, it also removes the mathematics, focusing the assessment on general knowledge and English. Regardless of which academy you target, the written exam contains a scoring mechanism designed to penalize guesswork. Every incorrect answer triggers a 1/3 negative marking penalty. This means 3 wrong answers will cancel out the points earned from a single correct one. High accuracy is more valuable than high attempt volume. In a competitive environment where every decimal point matters, knowing when to leave a question blank is a mandatory skill for survival. In most competitive exams, the written score is the final deciding factor for a job offer. In the CDS, the academic rank is merely a preliminary filter. Candidates who treat the written syllabus as the entire challenge often find themselves unprepared for the second half of the selection process. Clearing the written test only qualifies you for the Services Selection Board. This 5-day assessment evaluates psychological resilience, leadership, and team dynamics over rote memorization. The final merit list gives equal weight to both phases. The SSB accounts for exactly 50% of your total potential score, matching the written exam point for point. An exceptional academic score cannot compensate for a low leadership assessment. You must pass both independently to secure a place at the academy. Balancing preparation with a college degree or a full-time job requires a 90-day strategy that prioritizes high-return activities. We can map the preparation tasks on a quadrant chart to see where your time is most effectively spent. Passively reading through multiple current affairs encyclopedias falls into the high-effort, low-impact quadrant. It consumes significant time, but rarely translates to higher scores. The highest impact comes from analyzing previous year questions and taking timed mock tests. This familiarizes you with the UPSC's questioning patterns and helps you manage the 120-minute time limit. A realistic daily schedule includes 90 minutes of math or advanced English in the morning, 90 minutes of general science or history in the evening, and a brief nightly review of national current affairs. Consistency is the primary variable here. 4 hours of structured daily preparation is more effective than 10 hours of sporadic studying once a week. Based on the structural constraints of the CDS, your choice of academy should align with your specific strengths. If you are math-phobic, a female applicant, or approaching the age limit of 25, prioritize the OTA. Focus on maximizing your accuracy in the general knowledge and English papers to clear the higher cutoffs. If you hold a technical degree and are under 24, target the Naval or Air Force academies. These pathways require a strong performance in the math paper to boost your overall aggregate. Regardless of your academy choice, SSB preparation must begin on day 1. Fitness, communication skills, and situational awareness are personality traits that take months to develop, not weeks. Before committing to a study plan, check the current UPSC notification to verify your exact date of birth against the academy-specific age ranges. Success in the CDS is the result of strategic trade-offs. By choosing the correct academy and focusing your effort on high-impact study habits, you can transform a second chance into a commissioned career.